welcome back to my channel. As you all know, this is an overall motivational channel. I talk about the law of attraction, health, self-love, self-care, healing from past trauma, money-saving tips, couponing, and so much more. There is absolutely no limits on my channel. I talk about whatever it is that I want to talk about. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please consider subscribing. So this is going to be a video on a Walmart / IBOTTA haul. I did these deals last night. This is one transaction and this is a second transaction, and I'm just going to go over each transaction with you guys, tell you where I got the coupons from, so that you guys can do this deal if you're interested. Okay, so let's go ahead and start over here. So this Sweet Earth General Torsos tofu food is $3.98 in Walmart. IBOTTA has a rebate offer for $3.98 back, which makes this completely free. So check your IBOTTA accounts to see if you guys have this rebate on there. Go ahead and clip it and you can get yourself some free Sweet Earth food. Okay, with the Stay Free Pass, as I showed in one of my previous videos, these are on sale for, no, they're not on sale. These are priced at $2.72 inside the store. I did use a $2 off of 2 coupon, which brought both of these packages down to $3.44. IBOTTA has a rebate offer for $1.50 back. The limit is 2, and I did purchase 2, so that's $3 back total. So $3.44 minus $3 from IBOTTA rebates makes these 44 cents total, so 22 cents each, 22 cents per pack, which is a really great deal. So I'm going to show you guys the receipt here. As you can see, there are $2.72 minus the $2 off coupon that I used, and for the Sweet Earth, $3.98. So my total came out to be $7.42, and I'm not counting tax. So $7.42. I got back a total of $7.18 from IBOTTA. So and from that I got back $3 from the Stay Free. I got it written down right here, guys. So I got back $3 from the Stay Free. I got back $3.98 from the Sweet Earth, and I got back 20 cents for any item. So I got a total of $7.18 back, and this is how much my total was. So $7.42 minus $7.18 is 24 cents. So 24 cents for all of this total. 24 cents for all of this total, which is really nice deal, guys. So if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and oh yeah, and the coupons come from coupons.com for the Stay Free pads, and then you can also go to stayfree.com. so if they're not available on coupons.com, go to stayfree.com and you should most definitely be able to print off a coupon for these pads. Okay, so this is the next transaction. So let's go ahead and go over this. So as I stated earlier, $3.98 in store, $3.98 back from IBOTTA, which makes this completely free. This Chobani yogurt right here is 88 cents in the store, and I did have a get a free Chobani yogurt of any kind. And how I got that coupon is I went to chobani.com and I just emailed them and I told them how much I liked their products, and I asked them if they could send me some coupons, and they did. So that's also another way, guys, to get free coupons. If you email some of your favorite companies and just ask them, just tell them how much you like their products and ask them if they have any coupons, and they will most definitely send you some coupons. They sent me like, I want to say they sent me like almost 10 coupons, but I did use some of them in the past, and I remembered that I had one left, so that's why I used it last night. So that was free. This CarMax Comfort Care is $2.74 in store. IBOTTA has a $1 back rebate offer, which makes it $1.74. But checkout 51 also, no, I'm sorry, it's not checkout 51, it's Saving Star. Saving Star, which is another cashback app. Saving Star has a 75-cent back rebate, which made this only 99 cents. So this is a really good deal for two tubes of comfort care, which makes them both what, 49 cents each. So that's really good. Okay, so these International Delight creamers at my store, they are $2.94. I printed a $1 off coupon from their website. So www.internationaldelight.com. Set yourself up an account, and then you're going to take just like a really quick short survey. And then after you click submit, they're going to direct you to the coupons that you can print. And I think it was a total of 4 coupons. I printed off all 4 coupons. And then I also created an account for my husband, and I printed off 4 more coupons. So that is why I got 5. And then also, IBOTTA has a rebate back for $1. Okay, so they're $2.94. Use the $1 off coupon, which made them $1.94. Submit to IBOTTA for $1. The limit is 5. That's why I have 5, which made these only 94 cents. Now, this is a super great stock up price for this, you guys. I do plan on going back and getting some more and use it on my husband's account, but this is a super great deal. 94 cents for these. So if you are a coffee drinker, and these are, look at the flavors that they have: Oreo, pumpkin spice, French vanilla. I don't know what kind that is, but yes, guys, this is a really good stock up price. We don't drink coffee often in this house at all. We do not drink coffee often, but so I do plan to donate 4 of these, because I kind of like want to just make some coffee just because and try this vanilla flavor. But I am going to most definitely donate the rest. As you guys know, the holidays are coming up. I'm super excited about that. I donate every month, but I'm super excited to. I'm secretly over here stashing up a lot of stuff that I plan to donate this year, guys, for the holiday season. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, and I already explained the Stay Free Pass to you guys. I did have a rebate on my account for that, so that's why I got those again. So 22 cents per pack. And then right here with these big razors, these are $3.27 in store. I did use 2 $3 off coupons, which made these only 27 cents each. And then with these Crazy Art washable glue sticks, these are just something that I grabbed because they are on sale for, they are on clearance for 25 cents. They were 75 cents. And we do a lot of activities around the house with our baby, so that's why I got a lot of this, so that I can be stocked on that. Okay, did I miss anything? I don't think that I missed anything. So yeah, guys, I just wrote down this transaction right here with my lip balm, $274 back rebate offer on IBOTTA. So it brought it down to $174.75 Saving Star. It's either Saving Star or Checkout 51. I'll put it on the screen once I edit the video. But it made the lip balm 99 cents each, or 49 cents per tube. So my overall total right here, guys, my overall total came out to be $23.40. I got back a total of $13.08 on IBOTTA, which brought my total down to $10.32, minus the 75-cent back rebate offer on Saving Star, which brought my total down to $9.57. So when you divide $9.57 by the number of items that I purchased, all of these items right here, which is 24 items, that brought my total down to like 40 cents. So 40 cents each for each of these items is a super great deal. Guys, spending $9.57 on 24 items, that is amazing. So there are tons of ways to save on your everyday grocery shopping. Like there are a ton of ways to save, and I am just like so passionate about like saving and showing you guys how I get this stuff to motivate you guys to do this. I just love it, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are going to try these deals. I have a feeling that a lot of you guys are going to do the coffee creamer deal, because 94 cents for a 32 ounce bottle of creamer. That's amazing, right? Yes. So I have a feeling that you guys are going to do this deal. So remember, check your IBOTTA accounts to see if you have the dollar back rebate, and just go to internationaldelight.com and print the coupons. I will do my best to remember to put the link in the description box below. Also, if you do not have an IBOTTA account, go ahead and use my link in the description box, or you can use my referral code on the screen. If you sign up and you make your first purchase, you will get $20 and I will get $5. Super easy way to make a quick $20, guys. Okay, so yes, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this. And with that being said, I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.